Welcome to GIJO Gadgets YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing another reptile CLOUD-149, which is a DIY set. It's a custom set, so it is not using the original reptile equipment. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so this is a red tongue. Okay, so what we have here is, okay, we start with this. Alright, so we have, okay, two sets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 pair of probes, 3-inch probes. Okay, and then okay, this is a motor. The motor is 1406 3006 kV motor. Okay, so we have two counter-clockwise motor and two clockwise motor. Okay, so this is the frame. This is the FC cables, the screw, stand off. Okay, there's the battery pad, the absorber pad. So this is the frame. It's a reptile CLOUD-149. Okay, with the red tongue. Okay, this is the FPV antenna. Okay, this is FPV antenna. And this is the camera, FPV camera. Okay. So besides that, this is the XT60 male connector, and also the FPV antenna connector, cable, Velcro battery strap. And this is the mini F4 OSD. Okay, the FC flight controller. So this is a mini tower F4 flight controller with 25M DELL heli S 4-in-1 ESC. Okay, this comes together, and with mini 584 VTX spooler. Okay, it's a 200mW switchable VTX. Okay, and sticker, and a piece of paper. Okay, so this is it. So later I will do another video for how to assemble. Okay, thanks for watching.